Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make animals visit your home in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock the animal visit, you need to upgrade your bond level with animal. And wait, let me show you the animal menu. I'm going to open the cicadere. Okay, and my bond level with the cicadere is at level 4, and when we reach level 4 we will be able to unlock the animal visit feature. As you can see, I have already unlocked this feature, so this cicadere can visit my home, and the cicadere will give us a gift when they visit our home. And this morning the cicadere has just visited my home, and I got, if I'm not mistaken, I got timbers from the cicadere. So just upgrade your bond level with animal until you reach level 4 to unlock the animal visit feature. Okay guys, and that's how you can make animals visit your home in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.